without treatment and causing great level of what I said, that water pollution. आप एक छोटा सा फिगर दूंगा एंड उसके बेसिस पे यू कैन कंसीडर लाइक व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द हरिद्वार. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन हरिद्वार? हरिद्वार गंगा वाटर is not good for agriculture, not good for, I said that, bathing. Then how it will be good for drinking? It is not also good for drinking. गंगा वाटर बोलनी है हरिद्वार, आगे की तो बात ही छोड़ दो आप. Ganga water at Haridwar, it is not good. It is highly contaminated, highly. Our वो हम लोगों का थोड़ा सा immune system strong हो गया है कि ले पी भी लेते हैं, then we are strong enough. So I said that our immune, लेकिन foreigners comes when they are drinking the next day, they are in the hospital. So I said that not good for agriculture, bathing and drinking, क्योंकि every day around 100 million tons of this domestic effluent coming into the water without treatment. Without treatment. Understood? If it is coming after the treatment, then it will be good. So every urban sector, whether it is in a tourism based or anyone, that should have what? Treatment plants. I said, और ये किसके द्वारा किया जा रहा है? ओनली 4 धाम के लिए लोग जाते हैं वहां पर, वहां से केवल दैट रीजन इज कंट्रीब्यूटिंग 100 मिलियन टन. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू ट्रीट वाटर पॉल्यूशन ट्रीटमेंट, स्पेशली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इट इज एट डोमेस्टिक लेवल, मीन्स अर्बन सेक्टर. अर्बन सेक्टर पे हाउ टू ट्रीट. सो आपको याद करना होगा इसमें समथिंग, स्क्रीनिंग. आई सेड दैट स्क्रीनिंग, shredding, sedimentation. That is in a first level of, I said, screening, shredding, sedimentation. Secondary level, coagulation and flocculation and oxygenation, thereafter chlorination or ozone. Which are the 6 level of water pollution treatment? Yes, screening, shredding, screening, shredding. Yes, tell me. Screening, shredding, sedimentation, and then I said that secondary level में coagulation, flocculation, coagulation and flocculation. Third one I say, second one in the secondary level, yes, oxygenation, and then oxygenation and then chlorination and ozone. Okay. How to treat this domestic effluent? How to treat this domestic effluent? 6 labels. First 3 labels is primary label. Screening, S for screening, S for shading, S for sedimentation, and then primary label is only for removing physical pollutant. This primary label is only for removing physical pollutant. I said primary label is only for removing फिजिकल. देखा होगा आपने, कभी देखा है फिजिकल पॉल्यूटेंट? दिखाता हूँ आपको समझ में आ जाए व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन आवर इंडिया एंड इसमें. ये है फिजिकल पॉल्यूटेंट. दिस इज हाँ? पूजा किया एंड देन उस जिसको हम लोग यूज करते हैं पूजा के लिए उसी को हम. So this is physical pollutant. In the physical pollutant, first we have to, what is I said that? Screening. So first there should be in a chamber, and in the chamber there will be a lining, very fine linings will be there. Yes. And then water will pass through this. Water will. So the first screening, जो आपका this is a preliminary test is in a which kind of test? Unwanted, what is a student are removed and less prepared students are removed. That is a screening test. समझ में आया? So the bigger, इसमें screening में क्या होता है? Bigger physical pollutants removed. Second is I said that shredding. And इसमें क्या करते हैं, जो भी आप पॉल्यूटेंट बचा उसको क्या करते हैं, बाय चर्निंग इट कन्वर्टिंग इनटू स्मॉलर पॉल्यूटेंट. इसको चर्न करके क्या करता है, अब यहाँ पे सेकंड चैम्बर, दिस इज द फर्स्ट चैम्बर. आफ्टर दैट इट कम इनटू द सेकंड चैम्बर. इसमें क्या रहेगा, देयर विल बी, आई सेड दैट, एंड देन रोटेटर समथिंग लाइक दिस, एंड दे विल what is in a break the particles, other physical pollutant to what is in a smaller other. The second लेवल पे आ जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, श्रेडिंग. श्रेडिंग में क्या करेंगे, आई सेड दैट रिमेन फिजिकल, केमिकल एंड बायोलॉजिकल, सभी को क्या करते हैं, ब्रोकन इनटू स्मॉलर पार्टिकल्स, सब ब्रोकन इनटू स्मॉलर पार्टिकल्स. जो भी छोटे छोटे भी रहेंगे, remain physical, chemical and biological pollutants broken into smaller particles. Then it come into third chamber. In the third chamber, you know that sedimentation. पानी को ऐसे ही रख देते हैं. Understood? Water has been kept. So whatever the pollutants in the water which are having a more, क्योंकि finer जितने particle होंगे they become clay, and clayey things become what is not able to float, buoyancy force will be less, and they will start slowly and slowly, I said that, settling down. Understood? So the most of the some physical, chemical and biological pollutants has been what is removed by sedimentation. So this way we are able to remove the all physical pollutants. Now the water is getting into the secondary level where we have to remove inorganic and organic pollutant. So this is the sedimentation, screening, shredding, and this is, I said that, sedimentation. Sedimentation. So we have seen primary level. Next one, as I said that, secondary level. In the secondary level, so the first process is, I said that, this is, I said that, coagulation and flocculation. Coagulation and flocculation. I said that, and this is it is removing inorganic pollutant. So यहाँ पे some inorganic pollutants will be, I said that, some positive ion, some negative ion, some positive ion, negative ion. Understood? And I will add some kind of, मैंने यहाँ पे suppose किया ferrous sulfate I have added. a solution of ferrous sulfate, maybe copper sulfate, something I have added. कभी आपने देखा होगा in the water when you used to potassium K2SO4 Al2SO4 thrice 24H2, ऐसा कुछ पढ़ा है आप लोगों ने, एलम वगैरह, पोटास. I said that when you are putting, suppose कभी आप उसको क्या करते हैं, फिटकरी क्या कहते हैं, you know that when you are moving into the water after certain period you will find a jelly like, पानी में नीचे में एक स्ट्रक्चर बैठने लग जाता है. What is this? Precipitates. जब भी केमिकल में आप कुछ ऐड करते हो, so one ion get attached with another ion, positive. So मैंने यहाँ से a positive है, this is a negative, with this negative, this positive and this sulfate will react with this positive, this ferrous will react with this negative. So ये इसके साथ and this one will react with this positive, and thereafter they started making solid precipitates, coagulation and flocculation, coagulate हो जाना और flock together, and then started what, settling down. So by adding, so I said that by removing inorganic pollutant, by adding some sulfate ions related solution, क्या होता है, precipitate forms of inorganic pollutants and they settle down. उसके बाद वो flocculation, coagulation and this inorganic pollutant starts settling onto the what? Understood? वो precipitate बन जाता है क्योंकि opposite reaction के बाद. अब this way we have been able to remove this all inorganic and what is an inorganic pollutant from this water. Now it has been passed to the next level, and in this next level what is there? What is there? Organic pollutant. Understood? So the first it is, I said that coagulation, in the secondary level coagulation and flocculation. Is it okay? Shall I remove? In the third level, second level of secondary level, I said that there is an oxygenation. Oxygenation, जब भी आप कभी आपके घर में, whenever you are getting water and water is what is having smell, this smell is not due to inorganic pollutant, this smell is due to organic pollutant. Understood? And when this water is having an organic substances होगा, तो हमें क्या करना है इसमें? Blowing oxygen. और ऑक्सीजन क्या करेगा? Decompose microorganism and macroorganism. So this oxygen, when I'll blow oxygen, then it will decompose microorganism and macroorganism, and after decomposing they will start settling down on the oxygenation. यदि आप जाओगे तो you will see that कभी आप जहाँ पर water supply tank होता है वहाँ पे there is a different tanks has been formed, and the different tanks different things are happening, and finally third chamber जाता है, last chamber, where we used to add chlorine to make it more purified, or ozone, so that it can be utilized for drinking purpose. And this way we can what? Remove water pollution from the domestic effluent, and again we can recycle this water instead of letting it to go to river. Understood? and every industries has also given an idea that ki as per your chemical pollutants you have what treatment plants, आपके पास treatment plants होना चाहिए, otherwise what is the cost that you are causing, accordingly you have to pay to the government. So this is the condition. लेकिन नहाने के लिए लोग तैयार रहते हैं और यहाँ पे देखो क्या फूल पत्ती organic pollutant, yes, over the period it will decompose and it will be हम लोग So we have seen this is in a water pollution treatment, that is especially for what I said, that domestic effluent, sewage waste and ODF. Excess organic matter, और ये कब आता है? When do the excess organic matter comes? कब आता है? When this excess, only during the flood situation, excess organic matter come into the, what is, and I said that water, in your water body, when it comes, flood आया, flood के समय